In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to showcase products in a Shopify blog post. Featuring products directly inside your blog content is a great way to turn readers into shoppers. I'll walk you through exactly how to set this up using your Shopify theme editor, so you can visually highlight collections that match your article, like product guides or seasonal features. First, log into your Shopify admin and head to your main dashboard. This is the central place where you manage everything for your store. From here, look at the left-hand side menu and click on Online Store. This will open up the section where you control how your storefront looks to visitors. Under Online Store, find your current theme and click on Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor, which lets you adjust layouts and sections visually without needing to touch any code. At the top of the theme editor, you'll see a drop-down that probably says Homepage by default. Click on that drop-down. This is where you can switch between different templates for your store. From the list that appears, select Blog Posts. This tells Shopify that you now want to edit how individual blog posts are laid out. Next, you'll see options for different blog post templates, such as default blog post, or possibly custom templates you've created. Click on default blog post or the specific blog post template you'd like to add products to. This determines which posts will show the product collections you're about to set up. On the left-hand column of the theme editor, under the template section, click on Add section. This is where you choose what kind of content block you want to insert into your blog layout. From the list of available sections, find and click on the collection list type you want to use to showcase your products. Different themes label this slightly differently, but you're looking for something that displays collections or groups of products. Once that collection list section has been added, it will appear in the left-hand column. Click on the newly added collection section to open its settings. In the settings panel that appears, you'll see several options. The first one should be a button or field that lets you select which collections to display. Click on Select. A picker will open showing all the collections in your store. Now choose the collection or collections you'd like to feature in your blog post. This might be something like new arrivals, summer collection, or any custom collection you've set up. When you're happy with your choice, click on Select to confirm. Finally, don't forget to click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. Once it's saved, your chosen collections will now appear inside that blog post template, showcasing products directly within your content.